What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. I'm here today to ask you guys for a favor. I'm having a little trouble deciding what my next costume for my costume tutorial should actually be, and I'm going to let you guys decide which one I'm going to do next. Now, I've been getting a lot of suggestions for Jason from the Jason universe, and it definitely is something I really want to do. But I've been getting a ton of suggestions to try to tackle the Savini Jason from the Friday the 13th game. But there's just something about the Ghost Jason from Never Hike Alone 2, the final battle scene between him and Tommy, would definitely be something that I'd be willing to do if you guys want. So, let me know down below which Jason costume tutorial you want to see next. Jason from the Jason universe, the Savini Jason from Friday the 13th game, or Ghost Jason from Never Hike Alone 2, the final battle scene. Alright everybody, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.